So what I have here is I have some asparagus and I have these chickens. Half chickens
Beautiful.
with the bone,
In a cast iron skillet.
salt
Love.
and pepper.
Easy.
Take that out. A little bit of olive oil and start to brown them like this.
Beautiful.
Okay? Now, they get,
You want me to put it somewhere, babe?
yeah, just in the
Get
back.
rid of it? Yeah.
And then I'm gonna move this one up front, Rach.
Gotcha.
Okay, so now
I got it.
you can finish this in the oven
Right?
for about 15, no more than 20 minutes, as it is right now,
Right?
and we'll turn it up. You see,
Crank
and
the
now
heat
what
up.
I have, we'll crank the heat up.
Yeah.
Now what I have is I have the drippings.
Nice.
Salt, pepper, chicken. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is this. Now we're gonna flavor it. Make it really happy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some
Thyme. Garlic.
Yes?
And then hit it with some garlic to mellow in the juices.
Oh yeah. You see how, you see
Yum.
what Rach is doing? Just that little
Just a little grate.
Nobody thinks about doing that, and it's so easy to do that, right?
Yeah. Beautiful.
And hit it, and you should smell.
Oh,
my
God.
All right, now, how about some butter?
And then put some butter in. Can
Yeah.
I move the chicken to the plate?
Yes, you can.
Thank you, sir.
So we have
Oh
the
my
chicken.
God, it's falling apart. Falling apart.
You got it?
Beautiful, I got it.
Okay. So now I want to just sort of get that garlic in there,
Yeah.
and now.
And the butter
Yep.
to finish the sauce. Oh, God.
So now what we're gonna do, Rach, we're gonna take this spoon,
Yes, sir.
and you can give me a little salt and a little pepper. Just
Gotcha.
a little bit. Folks, you can do this with fish too.
Oh,
Fantastic,
beautiful.
okay?
Same dish.
Same dish.
Swap it out for fish. Yum. Oh, that's perfect.
So
Em.
now what we're gonna do,
Smells so good.
yep, we're just gonna let that,
So thyme and butter, the chicken, garlic I call a pantry item. I don't even count that. But honestly, 4 ingredients, amazing.
all right, so now.
Spoon it over?
Yes, spoon that over.
Oh,
You know, I